you for almost 12 years, although our rate of collaboration have increased in the last years due to our common project in the World FUE Institute. When I first came to the ISHRS, you were one of the star faculty of this international society. You have been working hard, first in strip surgery and now in FUE, being the pioneer of the FUE technique in Brazil. I always admire your work, and you know that I'm so impressed with your repair cases because of the high number and the way you solve them, combining surgery techniques, FUE and SMP. As the current voice of the World FUE Institute, I want to thank all your selfless work in our society, your tireless personal labor addressing many of the Institute tasks, and your unique and peerless mood always helping your college. You deserve all the success you have had in our field in the last 20 years, and want to congratulate for this happy 20th anniversary of Ruston Clinic, and wish that your name will continue shining in the hair transplant field for the next 20 years. From Dr. José Lorenzo's clinic in Madrid, Spain, to a really outstanding person, with the best of our wishes, very happy 20th anniversary for you and for Ruston Clinic.
I'd like to congratulate Dr. Ruston for his 20 year in hair practice. I met Tony a long time ago. We've become very good friends over the years. And it wasn't until I visited his clinic, saw his team in action, that I realized not only is he's probably the most romantic guy in the world, but he also has a real passion for hair. And the quality he generates is absolutely next to none. In my opinion, as far as using the sharp punch FE extraction, he's probably the best, if not the best in the world. So Tony, congratulations on your clinic.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ron Shapiro, and I'd like to congratulate Tony Ruston for his 20th year anniversary of his hair transplant clinic in São Paulo, Brazil. I've known Tony for all of this time, and we've become great friends and colleagues. He's one of those unique physicians that has the combination of both a huge heart, very caring, and great clinical skills. And it's this combination that makes him do such great work and gain the respect of both his peers, colleagues, and patients. Tony has always done great work, but what makes him special, he's not just content to do great work, he always is trying to find ways to make the procedure better. He's always searching for the latest improvement or trying to find a way to improve the technique. I've visited his clinic many times, and here you see me at his clinic with his wonderful staff, and so have many physicians, and I always come back with some pearl or thing that I hadn't thought of that I can add to my technique. He's a sharer. He shares what he learns, and he's traveled around the world to other people's clinics, learning from them and sharing back and forth. So Tony's been a great asset to the field of hair transplantation. So it's this combination of a big heart, great compassion, the desire to do the best, the desire to always improve, that's earned him the respect and admiration of his colleagues and his patients, and made him truly one of the better hair transplant surgeons in the field today. I hope to see you again soon, Tony, and congratulations on your 20th anniversary again.
So, Dr. Ruston, I've known you for almost 20 years. I want to congratulate you on a brilliant career. You're known worldwide, patients respect you, your colleagues respect you, and I think it's fantastic that you've been doing work like you've been doing for this many years. I've watched you, I've watched your career, you've been so helpful in teaching, I've learned so much from you, you've always been willing to help, and I really appreciate that. And I know your patients appreciate it as well. Congratulations.
This year is the 20th year of Ruston Clinic. Tony is my friend. Amazing person, amazing team, amazing job for 20 years in his clinic. And congratulations, my friend. I'm very happy to see it. I hope one day I will have the same honor. Kiss you, my friend.
Hi, I'm Dr. Panzera from Ruston. I'd like to say that this guy is an amazing guy. An amazing guy. I don't have enough words to say that. So if you need hair transplant in Brazil, go to this guy in São Paulo, Ruston Clinic. I think that now it's 20 years of birthday. You need to say congratulations. All the best for you, Ruston. You're the man. You're the best of us. Really. And you made it, really. Thanks a lot, Tony, for your assistance. You're a very good guy, and you deserve that.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Alejandro Chueco from Transplante Capilar, Argentina, and I want to celebrate the 20th anniversary of Ruston Clinic and to congrats Tony Ruston, his director and the soul of the clinic. I have been friend of Tony for so many years and I know about his art and his science. So Tony, as you say in Brazil, parabéns for you and for your clinic. Long live and prosper.